In this video, I'll show you how to hide Facebook posts step by step. Whether you want to hide one of your own posts from certain people or remove a post from your timeline without deleting it, Facebook provides several privacy options. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile or Facebook page and find the post you want to hide. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post to open more options. If it's your own profile post, you can choose Edit Privacy to change who can see it, such as Only Me, Friends, or a custom audience. If you simply want to remove the post from your timeline, look for options like Move to Archive or Hide from Profile, if available for your account. If you're hiding someone else's post from your newsfeed, tap the three-dot menu on their post and choose Hide Post. Facebook will use this feedback to show you fewer similar posts in the future. After making your selection, your changes will be applied immediately. Keep in mind that the available options may vary depending on whether you're using a personal profile or a Facebook page and the version of the Facebook app you're using. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.